Regardless of faith, marriage remains the most sacred bond shared by women and men. This is your perfect day to remember, and we'll all make the most of it, as it won't happen again.
Mahu always knew what she wanted and was always determined to get it. This indirectly led to her meeting Will. I was walking past Monch too and noticed a vacancy in the window for a waitress. In my continued vain attempts to get Mahalenka to pay for her return flight to Canada for the next season, I suggested she apply. The rest, you know. I think they make a wonderful couple. It does bring a tear to my eye.
Thank you all so much for sharing this very special day with me. And my wife. Yeah, I've been waiting to say that for such a long time now. Mahalenka, I vividly remember the first time I met you. That beautiful smile and gorgeous face. You're so beautiful, kind and caring. So many adventures we've already been on. You look incredible today. I have honestly not seen such beauty in my life. I feel like the luckiest fish in the world. Yeah! I just want to say that my heart is yours and it will be forever. I love you.
Always been my big little brother, pushing my childhood bullies to the floor. I'm sorry about the twig in the ear. I love you, man. You are the best friend, partner, and brother anyone could ever hope for. Mahalenka, we all dearly love her. I honestly cannot think of a better person on this planet to be the missus to his mister, and I am overwhelmed with joy to finally be able to call you my sister.